Over 60? Take these 3 vitamins daily to restore weak legs, strength fast. Have you noticed your legs getting weaker now that you're over 60? Do you find yourself pushing off your knees just to stand up? Does climbing stairs feel more like a workout these days? Or maybe you feel unsteady even just walking across the room. Most people chalk it up to getting older, but here's the truth. It's actually one of the first signs of age-related muscle loss known as sarcopenia. And the tricky part? It sneaks up quietly. No pain, nothing obvious until getting out of a chair feels like you need help. But here's the good news. You can rebuild your leg strength in just days, thanks to 3 key vitamins. No intense workouts, no expensive therapy, just the right nutrients at the right time. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a simple vitamin routine most people overlook. And if you've ever tried any of these vitamins, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Why legs weaken after 60? Here's the thing. After 60, your body goes through some slow but very real changes. Your bones become more fragile. Your circulation starts to slow down, and your muscles, especially in your legs, begin losing strength. What most people don't realize is this. The legs are usually the first place you feel it. Even if you're eating well and feeling pretty good overall, you might still find yourself struggling with simple things, getting up, walking across the room, staying steady on your feet. It creeps up on you until one day it's just too hard to ignore. According to the American Geriatric Society, people over 60 lose 1 to 3% of their muscle mass every single year. That means in just 5 years, you could lose up to 15% of your leg strength without even noticing it happening. So what's behind all of this? There are 3 main reasons. The first is vitamin deficiency. As we get older, our bodies just don't absorb nutrients the way they once did. The stomach makes less acid, and the gut becomes less efficient, leading to lower levels of the key vitamins your muscles, nerves, and bones depend on. Without them, it's like your muscles are running on empty. The second reason is poor blood circulation. As blood flow slows with age, your legs get less oxygen, fewer nutrients delivered to them. You start feeling tired faster, deal with cramps more often, and your legs feel heavy even after light activity. The third reason is reduced movement. Many older adults naturally walk less or skip the stairs, but without regular use, leg muscles weaken and shrink over time. And even if you stay fairly active, your muscles can't fully bounce back without the right nutritional support. But here's the good news. You can start rebuilding that leg strength in just a few days, simply by giving your body back the 3 key vitamins it's been missing. Vitamin 1, vitamin D3. Let's start with the first essential vitamin, vitamin D3. Most older adults are low in it, yet very few realize just how important it really is. Think of vitamin D3 as the master switch for your whole body. It supports nerve function, bone strength, and muscle control all at once. After age 60, your body's ability to produce D3 drops significantly. Your skin gets thinner, your liver and kidneys slow down, and most of us simply spend less time outdoors in the sun. As a result, your body starts pulling back on vital functions. Your muscles weaken, your legs feel heavier, your movements slow, and your balance starts to suffer. These changes are so gradual that people often chalk them up to normal aging, but they may actually be signs of a vitamin D3 deficiency. Here's what D3 actually does. It helps your body absorb calcium for strong bones, supports muscle contractions, keeps your nerve signals firing properly, and helps slow down age-related muscle loss. Without enough of it, your body starts to feel shaky and unreliable. How do you know if you're running low? Watch for signs like weak legs on the stairs, fatigue after short walks, nighttime leg cramps, trouble turning quickly, or aching in your hips, knees, or heels. Even mild sleep problems or anxious feelings can be linked to low D3. The research is clear. A University of Birmingham study found that adults over 65 who took 800 IU of D3 daily improved their leg strength by 19% in just a few weeks. Harvard researchers found that seniors with low D3 levels were 40% more likely to fall or end up in the hospital. For most people over 60, 800 to 1,000 IU daily is a solid starting point. If you've had falls or noticeable weakness, 1,500 to 2,000 IU may be more appropriate. Always take it with a meal that has healthy fats like eggs or salmon and avoid taking it at night. Food alone rarely gives you enough, so a supplement is usually the way to go. Used consistently and correctly, vitamin D3 can help bring back your strength, your balance, and your confidence in just a matter of days. Vitamin 2, vitamin B12. Now, while D3 helps reawaken your muscles and support your bones, it's only one part of the picture. To truly move with ease, stay balanced, and feel in control of your legs, your nerves need to be working well too. That's exactly where vitamin B12 comes in. B12 is one of the most critical nutrients for anyone over 60, and yet it's one of the most overlooked. You might already know it helps with energy and memory, but what most people don't realize is how essential it is for keeping your brain and your legs connected literally. Without enough B12, nerve signals slow down and become less accurate. The result? Weakness, poor balance, and legs that just don't respond the way they should. Early signs of B12 deficiency include tingling or numbness in your feet, weakness when standing, and that strange feeling like your legs have fallen asleep. You might feel wobbly even on flat ground, or feel like you need to hold on to something just to walk. Some people also notice mood swings, brain fog, or trouble focusing, all of which can trace back to low B12. Why does this happen more as we age? Two big reasons. First, your stomach produces less acid over time, especially if you take antacids or acid-blocking medications, making it harder to pull B12 out of food. Second, many older adults eat less meat or follow more plant-based diets, which are naturally low in B12. Even with a balanced diet, your body may not be absorbing or using it efficiently. Research backs this up strongly. An Oxford University study found that seniors with low B12 walked slower, had worse balance, and were twice as likely to fall. In another clinical trial, older adults who took 1,000 micrograms of B12 daily saw improved strength, better coordination, and less numbness within just a few weeks. B12 builds and protects your nerves, boosts red blood cell production, improves oxygen delivery to your muscles, and makes sure the signals from your brain reach your legs quickly and clearly. Without it, your body feels disconnected and even simple movements become a challenge. If you're over 60, especially if you take metformin, eat little meat, or have digestive issues, there's a real chance your B12 is low. The good news? B12 supplements are safe, effective, and easy to find. Look for methylcobalamin, the active form which your body absorbs best. It comes in tablets, sprays, or dissolving lozenges. And since B12 is water-soluble, your body simply flushes out whatever it doesn't need. Many older adults who restore their B12 levels report better balance, steadier steps, fewer falls, and even better sleep. It's not just a brain vitamin, it's a movement vitamin. If your legs have been feeling weak or slow to respond, your nerves may be asking for help, and B12 could be exactly what they need. Vitamin 3, vitamin B1. You've seen how D3 reactivates muscle strength and how B12 restores the brain-to-leg connection. But there's one more essential piece to this puzzle, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Some call it the muscle energy vitamin, and for good reason. B1 fuels the entire energy system inside your muscles. If D3 is the switch and B12 is the signal wire, then B1 is the electricity itself. Without it, even strong bones and healthy nerves can't get your muscles moving the way they should. As we age, our ability to pull B1 from food naturally drops. Medications like diuretics or metformin can flush it out faster. Even moderate alcohol use or a diet heavy in processed foods can quietly drain your thiamine levels. That's why deficiency is surprisingly common in older adults, especially those who feel worn out for no clear reason. Early warning signs of low B1 include leg fatigue after even light activity, muscle cramps, a heavy dragging feeling in the legs, or getting winded going upstairs. Some people also notice mental fog, a drop in appetite, or a loss of motivation to move, all tied to sluggish muscle metabolism. Studies confirm just how important this vitamin is. A 2021 Tokyo University study found that more than 30% of older adults had low B1 levels, and those individuals walked slower, tired more quickly, and had noticeably weaker legs. With B1 supplementation, most of them improved their energy, walking distance, and stair climbing ability. Another study showed that just 100 milligrams of thiamine daily improved leg strength and reduced fatigue in as little as 1 week with no side effects. Here's why it works. The almond helps convert the food you eat into ATP, the fuel every muscle cell runs on. It also supports the nerve signals traveling down to your legs and feet. Without it, your muscles stall like a car running on fumes. The standard daily recommendation is 1.2 milligrams for men and 1.1 milligrams for women. But for seniors showing signs of fatigue or nerve issues, doctors often suggest 50 to 100 milligrams per day. Take it in the morning with food, ideally something with healthy fats or protein. Avoid coffee, alcohol, or black tea at the same time, as they can block absorption. B1 is found in whole grains, legumes, seeds, and organ meats, but most older adults simply don't eat enough of these. That's why a supplement is often the most practical and reliable option. The great news? Thiamine is water-soluble, safe even at higher doses, and often produces noticeable results in just a few days. Seniors who add it to their daily routine often report lighter legs, easier movement, more energy throughout the day, and a genuine desire to get up and be active again. It may not be as well known as D3 or B12, but vitamin B1 just might be the missing spark that brings your strength and confidence back. How to take them timing and routing. Now that you know what vitamin D3, B12, and B1 thiamine each do for your muscles, nerves, and energy, it's time to put it all together. Because it's not just about what you take, it's about when and how you take it. Let's start with vitamin D3. Since it's fat-soluble, take it in the morning with a meal that contains healthy fats like eggs, yogurt, or a small serving of avocado. This helps your body absorb D3 more efficiently and supports bone and muscle strength throughout the day. Vitamin B12 is best taken around midday or early afternoon. It promotes mental clarity and alertness, so taking it too late in the day might interfere with your sleep. Avoid pairing it with coffee or tea, as these can reduce how well it's absorbed. Instead, take it with lunch for a clean, steady boost to your balance and nerve support. Vitamin B1 thiamine, your energy driver, is best taken in the morning with your first meal. Whole grains, eggs, or a small serving of protein help support its absorption and allow it to power your metabolism and leg muscles all day long. Here's a simple daily example to make this easy. Breakfast: 1 boiled egg, a small bowl of Greek yogurt, 1 vitamin D3 capsule, and 1 vitamin B1 thiamine tablet. Lunch: grilled salmon or tofu, steamed vegetables or legumes, and 1 vitamin B12 tablet or lozenge. With this schedule, your body gets the right vitamins at the right time, helping each one do its job as effectively as possible. Already taking a multivitamin? Be cautious. Many senior multivitamins don't include high enough doses of D3, B12, or B1 to truly meet your needs. Always check the label carefully. Look for methylcobalamin as the form of B12, and make sure D3 is dosed at 800 to 1000 IU or higher. And no matter what form you take, always take vitamins with food, never on an empty stomach, to get the most out of them. One more thing, more is not always better. Always check in with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have existing health conditions or take daily medications. Taken together and used correctly, these 3 essential vitamins work in harmony, supporting leg strength, balance, coordination, and energy, helping you move through life with greater ease, confidence, and independence. Safety tips. Vitamins can be powerful tools for restoring strength, energy, and confidence. But like any tool, they need to be used wisely. If you're over 60 and thinking about starting supplements, here are a few important safety tips to keep in mind before you head to the pharmacy. First, don't increase the dose on your own. Just because something is natural doesn't mean more of it is better. Taking double or triple the recommended amount won't speed up your results. In fact, it could backfire. Take vitamin D3, for example. It's fat soluble, meaning it builds up in your body over time. Consistently taking more than 4,000 IU per day without medical supervision can raise your calcium levels too high, which may lead to kidney stones, constipation, nausea, or even confusion. Second, be extra careful if you have kidney or liver problems. These organs help process and clear out excess vitamins. If they're not working at full capacity, even standard doses can accumulate and cause side effects. If you've been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, fatty liver, or another serious condition, always talk to your doctor before starting any supplement, especially fat-soluble ones like D3. Third, watch for subtle side effects. For example, high doses of vitamin B6 taken over several months can sometimes cause tingling or numbness in your hands or feet. Though uncommon, it happens more often when people take large amounts without guidance. Too much D3 can also lead to headaches, reduced appetite, or muscle cramps well before more serious problems appear. Stay tuned in to small changes in how you feel right after adding anything new to your routine. And lastly, get your blood levels checked. If you're taking D3, B12, or any vitamin long-term, a simple blood test every 6 to 12 months is a really smart move. It confirms you're getting the right amount, not too little, not too much, and keeps you safely in the effective range. With the right guidance and the right dosage, these vitamins can genuinely help restore your strength, balance, and independence. But they work best when used with care and knowledge. You deserve to feel your very best, not just today, but for years to come. When it comes down to it, the right vitamins really can improve your quality of life. But here's the key: you've got to be smart, informed, and intentional about it, especially as we get older. These three simple nutrients can make a real difference in your strength, your mobility, and your independence when you use them the right way. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. It's not just age, it's not in your head, and most importantly, it's not permanent. If your legs have been feeling shaky, heavy, or weak lately, here's what we've learned. Vitamin B12 supports your nerves and improves balance. Vitamin D3 strengthens your bones and muscles. And vitamin B1 thiamine helps restore your energy and stamina. Together, these three form a powerful team that gives you the boost to feel stronger, more stable, and more in control of your body. But here's the real secret. Whether it's getting your levels checked, starting a morning supplement, or just having a quick conversation with your doctor, the first step is action. Doing something, anything, is always better than doing nothing. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried any of these vitamins? Did you notice a difference in your energy, your strength, or how steady you felt on your feet? Drop a comment below and share your story. The more we open up, the more we help each other grow stronger together. You just might inspire someone else today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your body, keep your legs fueled, and never stop moving. One strong, confident step at a time.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos. I love hearing your thoughts, so please subscribe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.